We are testing 3 platforms in this video. This platform gives you access to generate image to video. We'll also show you the incredible results using Grok AI. The first one is a newest platform that is also ranking in the leaderboard of Arena AI. The last platform, a lot of content creators are finding it difficult to generate using the landscape. So I've been able to crack the code, how you can animate in the landscape format. I know that more and better tools will be coming in the future. In order for you not to miss any of these, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upload. And guys, let's go. Okay, so I discovered this platform and I tested to use it for my video animation. And guys, it was interesting to know that this platform is incredibly insane. But then you need to follow the exact step I'm going to be using in this video for you to achieve your generation. All right, now if you look at these models, you're going to see Flux 3, Flux 2 Max. So in the global ranking, you can see here that Flux AI, the Flux model ranked as, you can see this, right? That's the rank spread of this particular AI I want to use. So it is one of the top models also that has been released. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this. Okay, I'm going to try it. The moment you are here, you're going to see options. Options are here. Continue with this, continue with this, continue with this, and then put your email here or you sign up. Okay, now let's go ahead and see if we can literally sign up using this. Okay, go ahead and get your email from here. I'm going to copy from here and then head back to here. So paste that email here and then put any password of your choice. And once everything is cool, sign up. So let's see if it's going to create the account for us. Okay, they have sent registration email. Check your inbox and folder to confirm. Right? All right, so check your email. Let's go ahead and check this. So you come here, it's here, confirm sign up. You open it, go down, and then confirm my email. Awesome. So I'm going to actually have access to this platform now. So at this moment, the same email, remember the same email we are using, paste it here, don't forget your password. All right, so perfectly it has signed us in, so you can try this method, right? So here you have the playground. So click on this playground. Once you are here, if you click this model, you're going to see this is free with video, with audio, generate, edit, and continue clips. This is beautiful. So every other ones are paid, right? So we are going to select this one. Now look at the quality of image generated on this platform. Now look at this, very important, please. Generation times may be longer than expected due to high demand for Flux 3. You can see this, right? So if it takes time, please, you have to be patient and wait, because a lot of people are using this platform right now, and of course it's good, so people have to use it. Now look at another important notice. Flux is free to try until Monday 17th August. So this is the time this platform will end their free trial. So once you click on that, see all parameters, right, it will bring you here. Once you are here, this is where you're going to impute your prompts, and of course scroll down here, you're going to see add your image, that is image to video, and scroll down here, you can start video as if you have a video reference. Okay, this is amazing, and parameters we have aspect ratio. You can click on this to select your aspect ratio to the desired aspect ratio of your choice. So for me, I'm going to use 16:9, and you go down, you're going to see everything is in order, and this is still free credit. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and paste my prompt so that we can start generating. If it's more than 10,000 words, it's going to indicate error. It's going to give you error message. Okay, so here I'm going to click and bring in my first reference. So I already have my generated images, that's in one. Okay, so let's see, everything is in order and we are cool. The sound, everything is well set. So I'm going to go ahead and hit generate. And guys, our result is here. Like I said, if it takes so much time, refresh the page and generate again. Okay, most times is the people that are using the platform that makes it take a long time. Okay, and it generates in 10 seconds. You can see this. So let's go ahead and play this and see the quality. I love it because I mean the realism, the waterfall, and everything came out so perfect. Now let's play. exactly what I wanted. I love it. Now the eye contact, the movement, it was so real, and the sound, the footstep. So try this out, guys. I just have to quickly put this out so that I can try it out for you to start using. If you have multiple video projects you want to use, so this is my scene 1, you can go ahead and paste your scene 2 and change your reference image and continue for consistency purpose. So this is how you're going to use this platform. Let me know what you think about this. Okay, so just to add to this, if you want a very high quality video, right, you can see here I'm using the Grok agent feature, right, to generate these videos, and literally it came out excellently well. So I would say you should try this out and let me know what you think about this also in the comment section. So if you are wondering what type of Grok I'm using, you can see here I'm using Grok Premium, right, on X. So if you have X account, subscribe to X and then start using Grok, and you'll be able to use it and generate unlimited videos. Like you can see here, I'm still using it right now to generate this video. I wanted to bring it up so in case you're having plans, you're thinking about it, you can literally give it a trial. So my scene 1 video is done. I mean, once it's done like this, what you need to do is, let me play for you to see the quality. Okay, now let's go ahead and play this. I love it, guys. The realism is top notch. Then let's see the scene, like the continuation.
Have you eaten today? Then this is yours.
Don't come back here tomorrow. Because if they see you talking to me, they'll think you know where I am.
I'm sharing this in case you have an X account and you're a premium user, start using it. And I was just testing it to be sure. I have daily limit, even as a premium user. So even if you subscribe to any AI platform, you always have what we call daily limit. So because you are paying for it, doesn't mean that you will not have daily limit. But I've been able to generate over 8 videos on this platform using the agent feature and the Grok official website. This is not the newest Grok model, that is Grok image 2.0. I've already made a video on that, okay, on how you can use that. So for us to use this particular platform, right, you need to sign into the platform if you don't have an account. Have an account with them. Then once you are here, these are the things I've generated so far, right? Now once you are here, click new. We are going to try and see if we can literally create using the landscape, because mostly this platform uses portrait, that is for short form. So once you are here, right, we are going to create video, describe your video. So I want to go ahead and just one scene. I want to create something. Let's see if it's going to give us what we want to use. All right, so the ingredients here, if you have any ingredients I don't have, and here I'm going to go ahead and add start frame I've already generated. So I'm going to come here and click upload. Once this is here, and I'll click here to bring in my reference image, okay, for this purpose. All right, so I'm going to upload my image. My image is here, so I'm going to go ahead and set something like this. Okay, so let's see if by adding this, right, something is going to happen. So I'm going to, after everything is done, I'm going to come here, and resolution is 480, so you can select it to 720p. Let's see what is going to happen. Go ahead and hit generate. And the good thing about this platform is that it gives you in 4 variations. The one that sits well with you, you pick it. So let's go ahead and wait for it. Do this together. Just click on any of those videos, right? Let's see if it's going to give us a 16:9 aspect ratio. And hey guys, our video is here and it's in 16:9. You can see. So this platform is not only generating in portrait, it also generates in landscape. Generate your image in landscape and upload the image, paste your prompt, and it will give you something like this. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. Someone was asking me this in the comment section, how to generate using landscape, and this is it. So guys, use this method and try it. and it generates in 5 seconds. So let's play and see the quality of this. So that is it. That is it. This is how you're going to use this. Okay, so if you are cool with everything, right, you are going to go ahead and so if you've watched it this time, let me know what you think about these 3 platforms in the comment section of this video. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.